Dive into top-notch professionalism and expertise with our premier locksmith services in Matthews, your trusted partner for safeguarding. Trained and certified locksmiths in Matthews possess the expertise and experience to handle a wide range of lock-related tasks efficiently and effectively. Professional locksmiths in Matthews are equipped with specialized tools and equipment designed for precise and non-destructive lock manipulation. We ensure the use of high-quality locks and components for installation and repair, prioritizing durability and security. Offering a wide range of services beyond simple lock installation and repair, including key duplication, recaying, and security system integration in Matthews Locksmith. Our team provide timely emergency lockout assistance, available round the clock, to help homeowners regain access in Matthews. Hiring certified locksmiths ensures compliance with legal and insurance requirements, particularly for commercial properties or rental units. Prolonging the lifespan of locks and security systems in Matthews Locksmith. We are providing cost-effective locksmith services in Matthews